Paano kung nawala ang titulo mo? The land title is the most important document because it is your primary evidence of ownership. Kaya dapat talagang pag-ingatan ito. Kasi kapag ito ay nawala or nasira, big problem. If you sell your property, hindi mo ita-transfer ang title sa buyer. Hindi mo rin ito magagamit as loan collateral for a bank loan. Also, hindi basta-basta makakakuha ng replacement nito. Mahirap ang proseso. Kailangan dumaan sa court proceedings at kailangan mo ng abogado. So anong kailangan mong gawin? Number 1, execute an affidavit of loss. Number 2, file the affidavit of loss at the Registry of Deeds where the property is located. Number 3, hire a lawyer and file a petition for title reissuance in court. Unfortunately, hindi ito madaling proseso. Matagal, magastos, at madaming requirements. Kaya habang safe pa ang titulo nyo, make sure na secure ito properly. Keep it in a safe and secure place. Avoid damage from fire and water. Get a certified copy of title when needed. If you need help for your lost titles, follow Conveyance.